Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, OZ Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What have we got? We have a nudge bar going on to this Everest. You know what, if I didn't show you the back end of it, I could have just said it was a Ranger. But Ranger Everest fitting video on how to do the nudge bar. First step, remove the radiator cap. Built Ford tough. I got a Raptor, that's a lie. Anyway, let's get into it and we'll see you at the end.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive. feel alive.
It's too loud. Let's take our time. Let's not rush, take a breath. Let's not talk at once. Protective of my peace. I can feel your off. You can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down. Both sides want to be heard. Let's pause for the music. Till we feel the music. Protective of my peace. I can feel your off. You can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down. Let's cool down.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the fitment process. You can see very, very straightforward. You get the remounting of the brackets, or the remounting of the camera, I should say, the remounting of the parking sensor to make sure everything works as it should. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can grab one today at ozcanopies.com.au, and hopefully this fitting video is going to tell you exactly how to get the job done. But if you don't want to bother, give us a call, 0296278666. If you live in Sydney, if that is, and we can get it fitted for you as well. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.